In this video, I will show you how to connect Trello to Slack. To do this, just open up Trello and go to a specific board. Once you're in that board, click Power Ups right here. Then click Add Power Ups. And you want to go and search for Slack. Now everything that I'm doing here is on the free plan, so you will also be able to do it on the free plan. Now on Slack right here, go and click on Add, and then click Settings. From here, click Edit Power Up Settings. Now first, just click on Add Slack Alert, because then you can add your workspace. So click Add Slack Workspace, and just gonna sign in with your Slack account, so you can enter your workspace's Slack URL right here. So if you're not sure how to find this, just go to the workspace that you want to connect Trello to. Then in the top left, just click on the name. And right here you will then see it. So this one is x15workspace.slack.com. So then just go and type in the first part before the .slack.com. So in this case x15workspace. And then click continue. Now Trello is requesting permission to access the workspace. You want to go and click on allow right here. And I already have a tab open where I'm signed in, so I think that's why it signed me in automatically. You may need to go and sign in with your account. Now from here, just go and click on allow, and then it will say you are set, and it's going to redirect you. And now if you just go back to Trello, you can now add a Slack alert. So first choose a Slack workspace, so I'll do this one, then choose on which channel. Then which Trello actions would you like to send to the Slack channel? So in the board, for example, when a member is added or renamed, if there is a list when it is created, or maybe when a card is created. So for example, I'll only do when a card is created. So then I'm just going to take that one and then click done. So now basically when a card is created in Trello, a notification will be sent to this workspace. So I'll show you an example so that you know it actually works. If I click add a card and just give it a name, then now there should be a notification in the general section. As you can see right here, Trello, new card created, and you can see who created it, what the card name is, and in what board it is. So that's how to connect Trello to Slack. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.